Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video. I'm super excited. We are reviewing the NEEWER Basics X12B teleprompter. I've actually been looking for a good teleprompter to improve my videos and make it easier to stay on script, so I was really excited to try this one out. A feature that I absolutely love is the adjustable liftable design. It can fit different camera sizes, whether you're using a smartphone or a DSLR, making it super flexible for any setup. The 12-inch screen is also another standout. The text is clear and easy to read, so I can keep eye contact with my audience while smoothly following the script. It even comes with a remote control that lets you adjust the speed and script without interrupting your recordings. Even though it's lightweight, the aluminum alloy build makes it super sturdy and definitely built to last. Plus, the black finish matches my other equipment, so it blends right in and doesn't look out of place with my setup. I've been using this teleprompter for actually a few weeks now, and it's been a total game changer for my content creation. It's made my videos look so much more polished and professional. It's also helped boost my confidence on camera because I can maintain eye contact without losing my place or struggling with what to say. With its durable build, easy setup, and professional grade prompting, it's definitely worth the investment. If you're looking for a versatile, reliable, easy to use teleprompter, I highly recommend giving the NEEWER Basics X12B a try. I hope that this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.